In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase resolution in Canva. If you've ever downloaded a design from Canva and noticed it looks a little blurry or pixelated, especially when you print it or zoom in, the issue is usually the resolution and export settings. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to get the sharpest, highest quality version of your design using Canva's built-in options. First, open your design or file in the Canva editor. Make sure everything looks exactly how you want it, because the quality of what you export will always depend on how it appears on your canvas. Once you're inside the editor, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all of the export and download options. When the Share menu opens, look for and select Download. This will bring up a panel with different file types and quality settings. Choosing the right file type is really important, because each one is optimized for a different use. If you're exporting images such as social media graphics, thumbnails, or website visuals, select PNG. PNG generally gives you a crisper image with better quality than JPEG, especially for text and graphics with sharp edges. If your main goal is printing, for example, posters, flyers, or business cards, choose PDF print. This file type is designed specifically for high-quality print output, so it keeps details and colors as sharp as possible. If you're working with a video design, like a slideshow or animated graphic, select MP4. That's the standard video format Canva provides. Next, look at the quality settings that appear for your chosen format. For many image exports, Canva gives you a size slider. If you see the slider, increase it to boost the resolution. For example, you might choose 2x or 3x to export a larger, higher resolution version of your design. This is especially useful if you plan to crop, zoom, or display the design on larger screens. If you see a high quality toggle or checkbox, make sure to turn that on. Enabling this option tells Canva to prioritize image clarity and detail in the exported file. For PDFs, simply confirming that you've chosen PDF print is enough, because that option already uses a higher resolution setting designed for professional printing. Once you've adjusted these settings, go ahead and click Download. Canva will process your file with the higher resolution settings, and you'll end up with a much sharper image, PDF, or video that looks great on screen and in print.